Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to run your household like a business. If you've ever felt overwhelmed managing family tasks, chores, and appointments, Asana can transform the chaos into an organized system that keeps everyone on track. Let's start by setting up your household management system. On the left sidebar of your Asana workspace, click the plus icon. This opens up your project creation options. Select New Project, then click on Blank Project. Here's where you'll name your project something relevant to your household needs, like chores, shopping list, or family calendar. This naming is important because it helps you categorize different areas of your household management. Once you've entered your project name, click Continue to move forward. Now you'll be prompted to select your preferred project view. Asana offers different visualization options, and choosing between board or list view depends on how you like to organize information. The board view works great for tracking tasks through stages, while list view gives you a straightforward checklist format. Pick whichever feels more intuitive for managing your household tasks, then click Create Project. With your project created, it's time to populate it with actual tasks. Click Add Task inside your newly created project. Start typing specific household tasks, like buy groceries, pay electricity bill, or schedule doctor appointment. The key here is being specific rather than vague. This clarity ensures nothing falls through the cracks when managing your household. Once you've created a task, click on it to open the detailed view. This is where Asana really shines for household management. Add a due date to ensure timely completion, and if you want to plan ahead, you can optionally add a start date as well. If you're managing a family, assign the task to the appropriate person so everyone knows their responsibilities. For more complex tasks, break them down by adding subtasks. For example, buy groceries might include subtasks like check pantry inventory and create shopping list. To get a comprehensive view of your personal responsibilities, navigate to the My Tasks page. This centralized view shows all tasks assigned to you across different household projects, making it easy to prioritize what needs your attention each day. It's your personal command center for household management. If you're coordinating multiple household activities with specific deadlines, switch to the timeline view. This visualization helps you see how different household tasks overlap and ensures you're scheduling things realistically without overloading any particular day or week. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.